Good day, everyone. I'm Leslie May Bugnut, and I'll be presenting to you item number 2. What is meant by degrees of freedom? As stated in the module, the degrees of freedom are the number of values that are free to vary after a sample statistic has been computed. Vary means change. So when we say free to vary, meaning free to change. So the degrees of freedom are the number of values that are free to change, and we consider them independent. For example, if the mean of 4 values is 20, then 3 of the 4 values are free to vary. But once 3 values are selected, the fourth value must be a specific number to get a sum of 80, since 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Hence, the degrees of freedom are 4 minus 1 equals 3. That's all for item number 2. Thank you.
Step 2. We must devise a plan, and we may start by placing the beginning number 1 and the ending number 8 in the middle squares, followed by their consecutive numbers 2 and 7, considering the condition. Then, continue the process. Step 3. By carrying out the plan, with 1 and 8 in the middle squares, 2 and 7 can only be placed on the side squares alternatively, avoiding 2 consecutive numbers in touching squares. Then, followed by the remaining numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, which can be placed on the top and bottom squares alternatively, considering the touching squares. And lastly, for step 4, by looking back at the solution, we can say that the conditions were satisfied for all the numbers was used, and no consecutive numbers are in touching squares. And also, inferential guess and test was the strategy used in this problem. That's all for item number 15. Thank you.